As we embrace the dawn of a new year, the world of gardening is brimming with fresh trends that promise to make your outdoor space a true marvel. Whether you're a seasoned horticulturist or a novice with a budding green thumb, the garden trends of 2023 are sure to pique your interest. 1. Sustainable gardening. Green is the new black. Sustainability takes center stage in 2023. The focus is on practices that are eco-friendly and reduce our carbon footprint. Expect to see a surge in native plants, organic gardening techniques, and the creation of pollinator-friendly habitats. These efforts not only contribute to environmental well-being, but also lead to healthier and more vibrant gardens. 2. Tech-Infused gardens. The rise of smart gardening. Gardening is getting a technological makeover. Automated irrigation systems, smartphone apps for plant care, and devices that monitor your garden's health are becoming the new norm. These innovations not only make gardening more efficient, but also cater to the tech-savvy gardener's desire for precision and convenience. 3. Tropical paradise in your backyard. Tropical gardens are taking center stage in 2023. They offer a touch of the exotic with palm trees, vivid and lush blooms, and dramatic foliage. This trend creates an escape right in your own outdoor space, allowing you to enjoy a year-round tropical paradise. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 4. Cottagecore Aesthetics. A return to simplicity? Cottagecore is all about embracing the nostalgia of bygone eras. Heirloom plants, vintage gardening tools, and the creation of a whimsical and storybook-like ambience characterize this trend. It's a delightful return to simplicity and charm in the garden. 5. Vertical gardens. Space-efficient greenery. If space is a constraint, vertical gardens are your solution. These innovative gardens utilize wall spaces, hanging planters, and unique designs to make the most of limited area while still providing a visually stunning and efficient garden. 6. DIY and upcycling. Craft your garden's personality. Embrace your inner artist with DIY and upcycling projects. Repurposing old furniture, crafting personalized planters, and building your outdoor furniture not only reduce waste, but also give your garden a distinct and unique personality. 7. Zen and Wellness Gardens. Finding serenity. In the midst of our fast-paced lives, Zen and Wellness Gardens offer an escape. With minimalist designs, the inclusion of sand and stones, and serene atmospheres, these gardens create a retreat for relaxation and self-renewal. In 2023, gardens are not just patches of land, but canvases for innovation and creativity. These trends promise to transform gardens into living masterpieces, each uniquely reflecting the aspirations and preferences of their caretakers. It's time to cultivate a garden that isn't just on trend, but also a testament to our individuality and love for nature.